Using Ning in the classroom. What is Web 2.0? Web 2.0 is a term that's associated with web development and design that facilitates interactive information sharing, user-centered design, and collaboration on the World Wide Web. Some examples of Web 2.0 include web-based communities, hosted services, social networking sites, and video sharing sites. A Web 2.0 site allows its users to interact with other users to change web content. What is Ning? Ning is an online service that allows users to create their own social network and join and participate in other networks for free. The creators of the networks are allowed to determine the site's appearance as well as whether the site is public or private. The network features include photos or videos, network members, groups to join, events, and communication tools such as blogging. Ning is very easy to use and there are no technical skills required to set up a social network. There is also no limit to the number of networks you can join. How to sign up for Ning. First, go to www.ning.com. Then from the homepage, click on the button that says sign up to get started if you're not already a member of Ning. Log into Ning with your email address and password. Now you'll see a box that's asking you to name your new social network and give it a URL. Think of a descriptive yet creative name for your new social network and type it in the name box. Then type a shortened version of that name into the URL box. Click on Create Your Network. On the next page, you'll get to choose several options for your social networking site. The first would be to decide whether you want to open your network to the public or make it by invitation only. Give your social networking site a subtitle or add a catchphrase for your site. Tell everyone what your social networking site is about, what they can find there, and what they can expect out of joining it. Keywords. These are so people can find your social network site when they're searching for it. Choose a language for your site. Icon. Every site needs a picture, photo, or other type of graphic to help people see what it's about and catch people's attention. Choose features. Decide which features you need and what your members to be able to use. Drag and drop the features you want onto the page. Put them where you want them. Appearance. Choose a theme. These come in different colors and with different designs on them. Questions. Choose which questions you want your members to answer when they sign up for your social network. Launch. Once you've clicked on the launch button, your social network will be created. Now you can invite people or submit the address of your site around the web to get people to join. Benefits in education. Ning offers over 1,000 education social networks, and each network allows teachers to socialize with other teachers across the world. Teachers can blog about important issues that they face as an educator, classroom pet peeves, teaching strategies, and more. Each education social network focuses on a different topic or issue in education. For an example, there's a profile called Teach Strong, and this profile is for teachers that are interested in becoming better teachers due to the use of digital technology. Teachers can benefit from Ning because they have the opportunity to talk to other teachers, learn different teaching styles, find new material to teach from, and more. Students can benefit from Ning because they are educational tutorials for students in academic subjects, standardized testing, and education courses. Students can also find scholarship information. Disadvantages of using Ning. Ning allows users to create and have their own social networking up and running in minutes, but there are several disadvantages to using Ning for educational purposes. One drawback to using Ning for educational purposes is that because the service is essentially free, there are many advertisements that may come across the user's site that may not necessarily have any relevance to the subject matter. There is an upgraded version of Ning that is available to users, but there is a fee associated with the upgrade, which is $24.95 a month. Another disadvantage of Ning for educational purposes is the amount of users the service can manage in a month. Ning only gives the user the maximum storage capacity of 10 gigabytes and a monthly data transfer bandwidth limit of 100 gigabytes. This means when you cross these limits that you will have to purchase the upgraded version of Ning to service to get another unit of 10 gigabyte storage and or 100 gigabytes of bandwidth. Another disadvantage of using Ning in education is that there is a current lack of good filters, which creates problems in finding the best content. This also causes writers to have problems when delivering their content consistently. Also, users of Ning are limited to directly inviting people to join their social network. On the other social networking sites, such as Facebook and MySpace, when new people join your network, their friends can see what they do. So, this can encourage others to join your page, which will increase your numbers. Tips for using Ning. Invite people to be your friend by clicking Add as Friend. Messaging. In order to send a private message to someone on a network, he or she needs to be your friend. Finding your way around Ning. Click View All under. Participate. Share a question or concern by starting a forum topic. Start or join a group. Share what's on your mind through your blog. Start a forum discussion. If you have a question that might be nourished by the collective experience of the network, start a forum discussion by clicking on Start Discussion under Forum on the main page. Or start a blog. Dr. Stephen Jones' Ning profile. After reviewing many educational profiles on the Ning network, the one educator's profile that I continued to return to was that of Dr. Stephen Jones. Dr. Jones is a college administrator and publisher who has written several books including 7 Secrets of How to Study and The Limited Scholarship Guide. One feature I enjoyed about Dr. Jones' profile is that he posts blog entries on his main page. Dr. Jones' blog gives students, parents, and other educators practical advice to help keep them in progress. The blog post that I enjoyed the most is entitled Study Skills, a Back to School Key to Success. In this post, Dr. Jones emphasized strategies that students can implement in their daily routine to improve their study habits and in return improve their grades. Reflections on Classroom 2.0. Classroom 2.0 is an educational profile on Ning. This profile teaches educators about technology that can be used in a classroom such as whiteboard, classroom websites, Skype, and podcasting. I love this profile because it can be an aid to educators that are not familiar with technology. Classroom 2.0 offers tutorials for beginners, and educators can contact other colleagues and share their teaching strategies. Are there any other social networks? Yes, there are many popular social networks online that are for free. Such networks include Facebook, MySpace, and Flickr. Educational social networks include Ning, Call to Teach, NCTE Ning, and Coming of Age. In conclusion, Ning is a free online service that allows users to create social networks and allows users to communicate with people from across the world. Users can network with others, exchange information, aid people in different situations, and more. Ning offers over 1 million social networks and has approximately 36 million members.